Oracle Cloud Overhead Costing. Hi, my name is Linus Erlei and I created this free, easy to follow course so anyone can learn about Oracle Cloud's overheads, overhead rates, and resource rates in less than 1 hour. Together we will walk step by step through the different types of overheads and rates in Oracle Cloud and perform all of these transactions ourselves. And best of all, if you have any questions while taking the training, you can reach out to me directly at any time. So let me show you how to get started right now. Step 1. Go to panermia.com, or if you hate typing, click the link below. Step 2. From the main menu, select Learn, then New Courses, then End Users, and click on Supply Chain Execution. From the Supply Chain Execution page, click the Enroll button within the Cost Accounting learning path and start learning immediately. Don't miss out on this easy-to-learn opportunity. In fact, the whole course is completely for free for the next 30 days, so what are you waiting for? Go check it out right now and I'll see you inside of this free course.